45, 45, 45, 45, 4,000, 4,000, 42 and a half, 5, 45, 45, 45, 7 and a half, 47 and a half, $5,000, 5, 55, would you do 4,900? 49, you drop off. 45, 45, 47 and a half, 7 and a half, 49, 49, 900, 47 and a half, 59, 49, 900, 4900, 47 and a half, 49, 900, 47 and a half, 59, 49, 49, 47 and a half, 4900, 49, 49 at 47 and a half, 4900, 4750, put it on number, 500, 500.
So,
yes. Hey, Massey Ferguson 261, lot 1872. Another pretty straight machine.
we know your track record.
Massey Ferguson 261, you heard it? You check her out. You have 65 horse. 6,500, 65, good usable tractor here, folks. 6,500, 65, 65, 55, 55, 5,500, 55, 4,000, 4,000, 3,000, 3 in for 2,500. 25, 3,000, 3,000, 35, 35, 45, 45, 45, 45, 2 and a half, 45, 45, 45, 7 and a half, 47, 4,800, 48, he got about it, 47 and a half, 4,800, 48, 48, 47 and a half, he got about 47 and a half.
Hey, pretty nice tractor for the money, buddy, but you guys are the judge.
Straight machine, put that on a hay rake and go out there all day long. 47 and a half, 4,800. 48, he got about 4,800. 48, he got about
I told you to drop that. I tried to push him.
4,800, 48, he got about 100. 48, got about 48. 49, 49, 49.
Yep.
51, 51, 51, 51, 51.
Hey, Wendell, I was going to say he bought that to pull his baler, but he's baler goozling.
Yeah, there we go. 5,000 bid, 5,100. 51, 51, 51.
Just take her right over to the tractor pool.
$5,000, thank you, sir. Number 61. 61.
You have to modify it for that.
It's $3,000. $3,000. It was sitting here running. 3,000, 2,000, 2,000, 2,000, 1,000, you say? 500, 7 and a half, 7 and a half, 5, 7 and a half, 7 and a half, 500, 600, 5, 6, 600, 600, hey, on a tractor for the money, only 600. 500, 600, 600, everybody ought to be thinking here. 600, 600, 5, now 6, 600, 600, usually 600, 5, and running. 600, 700, 700 out of 7 now, 7 out of 6 and a half, 6 and a half out of 6 and a half, 7, 7 out of 700, 7 and a half, 7 and a half, 7 and a half out of 7 and a half, 7 and a half, 700 to be 7 and a half, 7 and a half out of 700, now half, 7 and a half out of 700 to be half out of 700 and a half. Or as I know, folks, he's getting a new home.
Winter chicken dinner.
Yeah. See, is the owner here? Or as I know, we're cutting her loose. 7 and a half, 7 and a half, 7 and a half, 7 and a half. 700, put it on 51, 51. Moving on. Hey, what do we know about the Chevrolet? How do we have here?
F550.
Well, she just need to wear her damn son there, though, not get it.
Get on it.
No, she's sleeping outside.
2008.
Now you'd be able to get down here out of the Ford tow truck, you know, and hold the brakes down. Yeah.
2008.
Wendell, backup lights in. Hey, good job. You see when he called for Schmidt's bread truck. Schmidt's bread truck. He called for
222,000, you think?
effort. I never
Yep,
thought of that.
$550.
$30,000.
Rich, you know, truck, 11,000 out of 11,000 now, 11,000, 11 out of 10, 11, 11 out of 10, 11, 12, 12, 11, 11,000, F550, 2008, 11's the big 12, 12, hook set off with the flat lid and gooseneck hitch shorts. 11 now 12. 12, 12, 11, 11, 5, 11, 5, 11, 5, 11, 5, 11, 5, 11,000, not 5, 5, 11, 5, 11, 5, 500, 11, 5, 11, 5, 11, 5, well, if you're done, I'll see what we can do. 11,000.
Drove, Sarah. Come on.
Yeah,
he's walking around here. I gotta find him.
You heard them, just shut it off, folks, and you want something almost parade ready.
Yeah, unless you want to sweat, that's the one to buy.
Yep, give $4,000. Four, 3,000, three, $3,000. Two, let's go. Two, 2,000, 1,500, 17 and a half. 17 and a half, 1,500 of each, 17 and a half, 16, 17, 17 and 18, 18, 18, 18, 1,800, 1,800, 1,800, 18, 18, 18, everybody likes nice clean bright paint like that. 1,800, 1,800, 18, I got your name all over it, 1,800, 17 to bid, 18, 18 now, 18, 18, 1,800. 1,800, 18 out of 18 out of, what do you think, Bryson? 1,800? 18 out of 1,800, 18, 18 out of 17, 1,800, 1,800 out of 1,800 out of, if you're done, I gotta be done, but I think we got a little more tractor sitting in front of us this afternoon. 1,700, 1,800. You wanna do 1,800, sir?
1750.
Okay, 1,800, 18 and a half. I did it for you, do it for me. 18 and a half, 19, 19 and a half. 19 and a half, 19 and a half, out of the 19 and a half, 19, is that a yes? 1950, 1950 out of the 50 out of the 1950, 1950, 1950, $2,000, 2050, 2050, 2050 out of the 2,000 bid, 2050, 2050 out of the 2,000, now 2050, 20 out of the, what do you think, 2050, 2050 out of the 2,000 bid, 2050 out of the 2,000 bid, 2050 out of the 2,000, you want to do her again? 20, thank you anyway, sir. 2050 out of the 2050, 2,000 bid, 2050. Sold $2,000.
Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe.